We're installing a Farmer Tech handlebar on the Stihl 038. We've set it in place. As you see, the bag is Farmer Tech. We're going to pull the old hardware off the old tank and install that hardware on the new tank, new handlebar.
Old hardware on a new tank.
Take the hardware off the old tank and install it on the new tank. The screwdriver over there on the ground, son. Chance, right here's where we're working, Betty. Right here. See this?
Okay.
You can find that area on the old tank and remove the hardware. Sideways like this. I'll hold the tank for you. Your screwdriver should be in line with the screw, not on an angle. Okay, take that one screw and get it started on the new tank. Always save all your hardware on these saws. My grandfather saves all of his push mowers. He got a fence row where everything like this goes. It's out of sight, out of mind till you need it, and he goes and gets it. I keep my saw hardware in little tubs, put it in cans, put it in boxes, keep all this stuff. Keep your carcasses, the stuff you run over with a skidder, stuff you smash with the tractor, the stuff you drop trees on, keep all that because there's good stuff there, good usable stuff. Alright, you got everything started. We'll lay it over on its side and you can install the ones on the bottom. See that repair done on that tank?
Yeah.
It didn't work. Sometimes you can get lucky, but this was a major crush. Alright, installing the new hardware. Your screwdriver needs to be in line with the screw, not on an angle. These are coarse thread screws. If you do happen to lose one of these, you can use a wood screw the proper length. You don't want one that's too long. It'll go through the tank mounting holes and run into the crankcase. You don't want that. You want the proper length. So if you've got one to match it up to, you have to use a wood screw. That's okay. Alright, got her all assembled. So we put a new chain brake, chain brake flag, new handlebar, new gas tank, new airbox cover, new air filter. We retained the Stihl original equipment master control. All the original equipment Stihl hardware we retained. And so that went well. The next thing we'll do is fire the saw, and that'll be in the next video. Thank you for watching.